Narayan, Narayan. Oh my Lord, you are the Supreme Personality of Godhead. You are the source of all the material and spiritual creation. Everything emanates from you. You are the controller of all the controls and master of all the masters. You are the supreme enjoyer and you are known as the true protector of the devotees. Therefore, I offer my respectful obeisances unto you.
The Lord. O Narada, you go to all the places of the world singing my glories and deliver all the conditioned souls. I am very much pleased with you. Please ask anything, I shall fulfill all your desires.
Oh, my lord, if you want to fulfill my boon, I have one. While I am traveling throughout the universe, I find many people are suffering and they don't know how to get rid of it. So, if you want to fulfill a boon of mine, then just allow me to bring all of them to Vaikuntha Loka, where there is no suffering.
As you wish, my dear Narada, please go ahead and bring as many people as you wish.
Thank you so much, Lord, my lord. Narayan, Narayan.
Narad Muni left Vaikuntha and came to earth in search of people. Now, he is in Harlur. There is a boy named Kailash who just passed his CET exam and got admission in RV Engineering College. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, I got admission in RV Engineering College. Yahoo! It's one of the best college in Karnataka. I'm so happy.
Suddenly, while passing this area, Narada Muni saw Kailash being very happy. So he approached Kailash and let's see what happens.
Narayan, Narayan.
Oh, who is this person? You are Narad Muni, right?
Yes, my boy.
Oh, my grandmother used to tell a lot of stories from Puranas. I'm so pleased to meet you. What's the purpose?
Dear Kailash, Lord Vishnu, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, has mercifully sanctioned me to go to this material world and bring all the conditioned souls here, from material world to spiritual world.
This world. What is the spiritual world?
This world is known as Vaikuntha.
What is this Vaikuntha?
Vai plus Kuntha. Vaikuntha. Vai means without and Kuntha means anxiety, depression, tension, blood pressure, sugar. Vaikuntha is where there is no anxiety, no tension, no depression. Everyone is eternally happy and enjoying with the Lord. In Vaikuntha, every step is a dance, every word is a song, every tree is a desire tree that fulfills all the desires of inhabitants of Vaikuntha Loka.
Narada Muni, the place that you speak of seems so nice. I would very much like to come there. But you see, I've just entered the college. I've worked so hard day and night to get a good job and take care of my parents. I cannot come now, Narada Muni.
Oh, okay, my dear boy. If that is so, then I will come again when you will be done with your college.
Sure, Narada Muni, sure.
Thus, Narada Muni left the place and Kailash started his engineering course. It's been close to 4 years and now Kailash has given his interview for a company and is waiting for the result. Let's see what happens.
Ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring. Hello? Yeah, bro. I heard placement results are out. What happened? Okay. Aha. Okay, I'll catch you soon then. Yay! I got place in Yahoo! I'm so happy! Yahoo!
At the same time, Narada Muni on the way to his travel came to Kailash.
Narayan, 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 Narayan.
Oh, Narad Muni, I'm so pleased to see you again.
How are you, Kailash?
I'm very good, Narada Muni. What's the purpose of your visit?
You remember that you promised me that you will come to Vaikuntha where there is no suffering.
Yeah, I remember. But Narada Muni, I've just now got a very good job. I got placed in Yahoo!
Who?
Yahoo!
What is this Yahoo?
It's a great multinational company. It's my dream company. I was waiting for this.
But what is the value of all this in front of Vaikuntha Loka, which has desire fulfilling trees?
Narad Muni, I need to explore my new job. I have to work hard, get married. So many responsibilities. I cannot come now.
The Supreme Lord gives freedom to everyone to make their choice. Hence, I will not force you, but surely I will come next time, as you promised me that you will come with me.
Sure, Narad Muni, sure.
Thus, Narad Muni left the place, and Kailash became fully busy in his job. And after a few years, Kailash got married to a beautiful woman and had 2 children. Kailash became so absorbed in the family affairs.
Papa, can you teach me this game?
Yeah, sure.
Papa, can you teach me this game?
Yeah, sure. You see here, you grab the steering to move the car, and here you press the button to make it move forward, okay?
At that time, Narada Muni again visited to Kailash.
Narayan.
Oh, Narad Muni, I'm so pleased to see you. Please take a seat. What is the purpose of your visit?
I have just come to take you to Vaikuntha Loka.
Vaikuntha? Yeah, you told me about that, where there is no Kuntha, miseries.
Yes, I have just came to take you to Vaikuntha Loka.
Oh, Narad Muni, you see, this place is Vaikuntha. You see, I have a lovely son, a gorgeous wife. I just bought an expensive car, and I have a luxurious flat, 3 BHK, no loans. This is Vaikuntha, Narad Muni.
No, Kailash, it's a mistake. This is not Vaikuntha. You are just being carried away by the temporary happiness. Please do not be carried away by this. Please come to Vaikuntha, where the happiness is eternal.
You seem to speak right words, but you see, I have responsibilities to my wife, to my children. I have to take care of everyone. I cannot come with you now, Narad Muni.
Okay, my boy. Kailash, I give you another chance. If you don't want to come now, then I will come again. Hopefully, you will come with me that time.
So, Narada Muni left the place, and Kailash became very busy with his family maintenance. Many years passed by. Should I stop? Arey, what to do now? I have failed in my exams and my friends are calling me for picnic also. And how do I ask for money from my papa for picnic?
Hey Bintu, come here. Hey Bintu, come here. What about your exam result? I heard they're out.
Okay, Papa, but all my friends are going for a picnic, so I want to go there.
Yeah, first tell me about your exams.
Please, Papa, I want to go there. All of my friends are going there.
Okay.
No, Papa, please promise me.
Okay, you can go. Now tell about your exams.
You know that Dr. Anand?
Uh-huh.
His son failed. Papa, you know that C.A. Gupta? His daughter also failed.
Okay.
You know the teacher, Acharya's son?
Yeah.
He also failed.
Okay, leave about them. What about you?
If the teacher and the doctor's kid failed, I'm an engineer's kid. How will I pass?
Horrible. Always giving me anxiety.
While Kailash was in anger mode, suddenly appeared there Narada Muni. Let's see what happens again.
Narayan. Kailash, how is your Vaikuntha?
Only Kunta.
No Vaikuntha, only Kuntha and Kuntha. My kids have made my life totally miserable. Then, this is the right time to come, Vaikuntha. Come with me.
Oh Narad Muni, I want to come with you. But Krishna also says in Bhagavad Gita, Karmanya Vadikaryasya. I have my responsibility. My kids, they are not very smart. I have to take care of them. I have to settle them. Oh, I cannot come now.
No, Kailash, do not delay. Lord has mercifully given me the sanction to bring you to Vaikuntha Loka. He is waiting for you. Please come with me.
My heart, Narad Muni, my heart says that I should go with you. But my mind says to stay here and fulfill my responsibilities.
Then, whom do you listen to? Your heart or your mind?
This time it would be my mind. I promise next time I will definitely come.
Oh, okay. I will also definitely come to take you next time. And I hope you will come with me. Narayan, Narayan.
Again, Narad Muni failed to take Kailash with him and he left the place. And Kailash became busy with his family maintenance for many, many years. Kailash was very, very attached to his lovely family. He got his sons married and have grandchildren with huge family and huge responsibilities. Kailash grew old. Narada again returns to the same place, hoping to take Kailash back to Vaikuntha, where there is no suffering eternally.
Narayan, 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 Narayan. Where is Kailash? Narayan, Narayan.
Narada gets confused because he cannot find Kailash. He inquired to the people nearby and gets surprised that Kailash has already left his body long time ago. While leaving Kailash's house, Narada Muni noticed something barking.
Oh Narayan, why this dog is barking at me?
Bhabhav, Bhabhav. I'm Kailash, Narad Muni, Bhabhav.
Kailash, you became a dog. Oh, it's so miserable. You have degraded to dog life. But still, Lord Vishnu is very merciful in this body. Also, I can take you to Vaikuntha Loka. Do you want to come with me?
Bhabhav, Bhabhav. No, Narad Muni, I'm very busy.
Busy? As a dog? How? Narayan, Narayan.
You see, my children, Narad Muni, they are very irresponsible with the money and many thieves come here. So I drive them going round and round. Bhabhav, Bhabhav.
You see, you have become a dog. Still you are attached to your family life. Kailash, come to Vaikuntha Loka and please get free from this miserable condition of life.
Narad Muni, miseries? What miseries? I'm very comfortable here, Narad Muni.
How can a dog be comfortable? Okay, Kailash, I know you don't want to come with me. I will have to do something. Next time, I will bring Krishna Prasadam for you. By eating that, only you will become a delivered from this material bondage. I'm going. Narayan, Narayan.
Feeling very sorry for the attached Kailash, Narada Muni again leaves the place. After many years, when Narada returned, taking Krishna Prasadam with him to give to Kailash, for his surprise, he cannot find Kailash. Narada again gets confused because he thought he would find Kailash. And searching for Kailash again and again, he waits for some time in his house. He looks around, just then noticed something approaching him.
Oh, very long, poisonous snake is coming towards me.
Narad Muni.
Oh, how do you know me?
I'm Kailash, Narad Muni.
Oh, Kailash, you see, from a human life you became degraded to an animal life. Now you have become to serpent. But don't worry, you can still come to Vaikuntha. I had brought Krishna Prasadam for you.
No, Narad Muni, I'm very busy.
You don't want to come with me still.
No, you see, Narad Muni,
I'm comfortable here.
He will not come with me. He is very determined in his statement. I will have to do something.
Narada Muni informs Kailash's son that a very black, big, poisonous snake is playing with his kids. Immediately, the son of Kailash, started hitting the snake with big sticks. They don't know that Kailash is their father, and they're hitting him so hard. With pain, the snake started to seek protection from Narada Muni, calling out his names. But the snake dies.
Till end, no Krishna there.
So, this is how Kailash, who at the end took the form of a snake, left his body. He was beaten by his own sons, and when he was remembered by Narada, and just by remembering a pure devotee, Kailash in his next life got a human birth. After many previous lives, he finally had the chance to get a human form of life and become a devotee. By the mercy of Sri Narada, at the end of his life, he was able to remember the Lord's lotus feet. So, my piece of advice to all of you who have come today is whenever you get a chance to associate with a pure devotee of the Supreme Lord, please make use of that opportunity. If the same devotee comes to you at the final moment of your life, agree with them and go to that eternal holy abode of Lord Vishnu, Vaikunta. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Course has 2.3 everything.